Michael DeSantis, and this is my submission for the ISIN306, Assignment 2, Question number 5, which will very briefly be covering the contents of Question 3, the code that was created, as well as a very simple execution of that code to ensure that it works. So first, looking at the function itself, we can see that there is a comment on the first line denoting what it is, saying that it calculates the conversion rate of inches to centimeters given an inputted amount of inches. And then moving on to line 2, we have the beginning of the function itself, saying more or less with the code that we are defining a new function named convert inches to centimeters, with our parameter or input that will be used later being inches parm. Going on to line 3, we have the definition of our input or parameter, with inches parm equaling a given float number or a numeral that includes a decimal, with the output being found in line 4, centimeters, now being our new variable, with it of course being that floating number from before, the inches parm, multiplied by 2.45, which we learned in assignment 1 was the conversion rate from inches to centimeters. And then in line 5, we're simply telling it to return the centimeters output, saying, hey, once you've calculated what inches parm multiplied by 2.45 is, tell us what it is. So now going on to the code that uses this function, we're first going to import the convert inches to centimeters function file from earlier, saying, hey, we're going to need to pull this for later. We're then going to define our input this time, with our inches being 10. We're then going to define our output, in this case being named centimeters output, saying that we're going to be taking the function from convert inches to centimeters, the function itself named convert inches to centimeters, with inches input being our parameter. Then lastly, we're simply asking it to print